welcome back to another episode of Trini Bites. Today we're going to be making barbecue beef short rib. Alright, so we have our 4-bone beef short rib here. You want something about this size when you're cooking because it does cook for quite a long time. And the seasonings that we're going to be using today include salt, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and smoked paprika, all equal amounts. That's going to be our dry rub. Alright, so we're just going to score the top of this before we put our rub on. Alright, so we have our bowl here with the salt already in it. We're going to add everything in. Give this a quick mix. The rub alone smells amazing already. So you can only imagine when it's cooked how it's going to taste. Alright. It. Alright, so we're going to start on the bottom side and just be generous. It's a big piece of meat. I'll rub this in a little bit. Put it over. I want to make sure you rub it into the scoring that we made. Let me get the sides. Alright, so we're just going to drizzle a little bit of oil on top here, because what we're going to do when we're cooking this on the barbecue is we're going to sear it first. Give it some nice color on the outside, and then we're gonna wrap it in some aluminum foil and use the barbecue sort of like an oven and let it cook slowly, wrapped up so it doesn't burn, until tender. This piece should be about 2 to 3 hours depending on your grill. And that's pretty much it, we're ready to go. Alright, so we're outside once again, and we've preheated our grill on high. That way we're gonna sear it, get it a nice quick hot sear, get some nice beautiful color on there. So without any more delays, we'll just grab this. Alright, so the beef has been finished searing as much as I want it to be seared for. You can sear it for longer if you'd like. If you like more color, it is going to get a lot of color when it's cooking on the grill. So I'm going to take it off now. What I've done is I've prepped 2 pieces of foil because it is a heavy piece of meat and we want it to be well insulated and not tear the foil. And then I'm going to have another piece going crossways like this so we can fold over and make sure we get full coverage. Alright, so we're just gonna wrap it, basically this first. You always wanna raise your corners this way and don't pinch them downward because the juices will flow and go in the grill and you don't want that. So we're gonna leave 2 of our burners. We have a 3 burner. We're gonna leave 2 of them on max. We're gonna turn one off completely. And that's the side this thing goes on to. And we let it cook for at least 2 hours. We'll check it. If it needs to cook a little bit longer, possibly 2.5 to 3 hours. All right, so we finished the ribs. Just came off the grill. Alright, so this is the finished product. I'm gonna show you guys how tender it is. Alright, so we're just gonna cut into it. It's super tender. Just gonna try a little piece here. Alright, we're gonna do a little taste test. Really tender, really soft. Flavor is proper. I'm gonna cut up the rest and it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And be sure to check out our newest series, Liquid Therapy.